Hi guys, so today we're gonna play Pilot Training Flight Simulator and we're gonna try do butter in like every single airport. Yeah, we're gonna try do a butter in every single airport. I mean not every single, but one of every single. Like about how much airports are in the game? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is 9. So we're gonna do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 7. Starting off with Greater Rockford. We're going all the way to Skyclips because those are all the airports and these are just not even airports. So we're starting off with Greater Rockford. And we're going to go to Greater Rockford, Miller Air Base, Harry Potter Training Center, Road Base, and then yeah, we're gonna do that. So to land in Greater Rockford, we need to spawn a plane, and not only a plane. Okay, this place is too packed. We're gonna go. Okay, these two places are still packed. That means we're gonna go. Okay, we're not going to say, "Hey, Singapore Airlines, get away!" But I need to do something real quick, guys. Open spawner. Open spawner. We're gonna go with airlines. Boeing 747. Qantas. We're gonna land at Qantas. Okay. But not in every single airport. Some are too big. Why am I stuck? No. Actually, why am I stuck? I always get stuck. Hey, Spider-Man! Hey, you! Don't steal my plane, okay? My plane's Qantas. This is the Spirit of Australia. Okay, let's fly. By the way, trust me, all the passengers, I know how to fly a plane. Trust. Oh, okay, there's a plane. Get out of the way. Good, I was bigger than that plane. I hit the wing, but I actually didn't because my wing was better than his. And hey, you, Thai Airways 3857. You need to get out of the way, okay? Because Qantas is hitting in the way. Should I stop for you? What are you doing? What you doing, Archoki? You want me to say that? You want me to say that? You want me to say that? Okay, let's just go 23. Okay, let's go 23. 22. 22 is the normal taxi speed, by the way. I was going to go to the right, but then I realized that. Wait, is there anybody? There's nobody. By the way, I have that game pass. The IRFD ground control. I sometimes forget ground control. ATC, yeah, ATC. I have that game pass. But it's gonna be hard to land planes in the big Qantas. Why didn't I get a smaller one? If I got a smaller one, that would be way more helpful. Why didn't I think of that? Oh my goodness. Okay, we can't do the big A320 on that. I mean 747. Wait, what is even this 747? I think so. Oh, gears on grass. Okay, let's slow down real to about this much speed, 15-ish. first we need to line up with the runway. We need to line up with the runway, guys. We need to line up with. I saw a plane behind me. It was just false. Let's go a little bit more forward. Okay, now let's stop. I say stop instantly. Okay, now it's about to take off. What's the first thing? Flaps to the max. Second thing. What is that plane doing? What the hell is that plane doing? What the frickin' hell is that plane doing? What the hell is that plane doing? That plane is freaking cooked. That plane just in time. I did not crash into actually. Maybe you did not see, but the wing just in time, guys. Just in time. So we're gonna land at this same area. Just kidding. Okay, so we're gonna, this is our plane. You see our plane right here. You see our plane. So where are we gonna land first? So we're gonna go like that. Wait, I have an idea. We're gonna there's a plane right next to me, and then we go like that, and then we land at this airport. I think that's Waterloo, whatever. Well, that's the closest, so yeah. That's too much speed, whatever. Why are we dropping? I don't want to drop. Okay, now we cannot drop, and we gotta do a big turn right here. I think it's airbase Gabby. Or is it slow speed? We're going slow speed, okay? We're gonna try do a landing in every single airport in Greater Rockford. Or maybe not every single, but yeah. Wait, Kiara? Is that Kiara or Kyra? I don't. It's Kyra. Wait. That's my childhood friend. Am I spelling the names wrong? Kyra? I don't even care about the game now. It's like my childhood friend. I'm saying Kiara. It's Kyra. How am I spelling his name wrong? I can't even talk to my parents. Kyra? Bella. He just joined me. Wait. Is she in the game? Okay, Phil. It said my childhood friend joined. I mean, I have her phone number, but yeah. I'm gonna upload it soon. Is it? Yeah, she left. But she actually joined me. Whatever, guys. Let's keep on going. Playing. Also, first airport, we're gonna land at Botnick Airfield. Put it to this camera and land. Let's try to do a butter landing, actually. I'll try to do a butter landing. 1,000.
500, 400, 300, 200.
Wait, this is Botnick Airfield. It's one of the hardest ones. That was a butter landing. That was butter. I did a butter landing. By the way, that was butter, if you didn't know. Back gears first, and then... No. Oh. It's a frick. Oh, no. That was so close. We were an inch. I'm gonna show you what happened. Look, guys, look. This gear was so close. Guys, how did we do it? I'm asking a question right now. We were so lucky. We could have gone like this, and this gear could have gone like more farther, and we would have lifted and get down. But I can't believe Kyra won. I think Kyra's dad is calling my dad. I think I'm gonna get a call real soon because he's gonna give my phone number. But look at this big 747 landed at this one of the smallest thingies, and look, it freaking did a turnaround and it died. It was like so close, that close. This Boeing 747 is massive. Now we're gonna land. No, push back. We need to push back. This is a so short runway. What? Okay, it's too short. But what the hell is happening? Yeah, I think I'm going in the sky. Because, okay, never mind. Now I'm not. What the hell was that? But I can't. Okay. Keep on going backwards. Okay, guys, you gotta go backwards to the max. But I can't believe Kyra could. She's my cousin. I think she's calling my dad. His dad is calling my dad. But what is her Roblox avatar? It's a girl, okay? What is her Roblox avatar? It's kind of trash. Low key. But guys, how did we even land here, guys? How did we land here with a Boeing 747? How do you expect us to land here? And we were so close for falling. And I even did a butter. You saw that, guys. I did a butter. I put the back gears first and then nose after. Butter, that's how to do a butter, if you don't know. Okay, let's keep on going backwards until we reach the max. We still have more. A little bit more. Let's go more. Let's go more. Okay, let's kind of like stop right here. Okay, let's go more. Let's go a little bit more. I don't care. You if we want to. Okay, let's kind of like. Okay, let's go a little bit more. Okay, let's go a little bit more. Okay, that's enough. Oh my fellas. Oh. Okay, we can go a little bit more. Let's go a little bit more backwards. Okay, let's go a little bit more backwards, guys. Oh my god. Look at these gears. They're tilting. Okay, flaps 5. Let's go. This runway, I think, is too short. Oh, just in time, baby. Wait, we're so high up. Whatever. Okay, now let's just crash. Let's go. Wait, do you know the next airport? It's not really an airport, but it's very, very hard to reach to, guys. But it's not really that much of an airport. It's like on the grass. It's a grass airport, guys. It's a grass airport. I know grass airports are not like airports, but yeah. It's like this way. And then we just need to do nose down. Oh, it's raining. It's pouring. The old man is snoring. It's time to bring him to bed. It's Waterloo. Oh, that's a video. Why is it electric? Why? I never actually landed in a Queen Elizabeth, but yeah. But okay, we're just gonna land when we go to that center. Oh my fellas!
5, 4, 3, 200, 150, 40.
Look at my plane. Wait, what the hell? No, 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 no! All these passengers are there! What the hell is happening? No, no! Oh, okay. Okay, Qantas Airlines, chill. Okay, well, that's the end of the video. We actually landed into airport. This is the airport. Bye bye, guys.